Hello everyone, here is another question from Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Which of the following compound or compounds has or have percentage of carbon same as that in ethylene? Percentage of carbon in a molecule we can find out by this equation: mass of carbon divided by molar mass of that molecule times 100. So, in ethylene, let us first find the percentage. So, percentage of carbon in ethylene will be equal to mass of carbon. We have 2 carbon atoms there. So, 2 times 12 divided by molar mass is 2 times 12 plus 4 times 1. So, molar mass M in this case is 28. So, this is basically 24 divided by 28 times 100, and therefore, this will be equal to 85.71%. Now, let us check the options. First, we have propene. So, H2C double bond CH3. This is propene. Here we have 3 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So, percentage of carbon in propene is equal to mass of carbon. So, 3 times 12 divided by molar mass of propene. So, molar mass of propene is 3 times 12 plus 6 times 1. So, here it is, that will be 42. So, this will be equal to 36 divided by 42 times 100, that will be equal to 85.71%. So, this is exactly the same as the ethylene, and therefore, this option is correct, but let us check the other options too. In B we have ethyne. Ethyne is acetylene. This is ethyne. So, C2H4. So, the percentage of carbon here is 24 because 2 carbon atoms are there, divided by 26 times 100, and that will be equal to 92.31%. And then option C, what we have is benzene. So, C6H6. So, percentage of carbon in C6H6 will be equal to mass of carbon 6 times 12, that is 72. Molar mass of benzene is 78 times 100, and this will be equal to 92.31%. And then in option D we have ethane. Ethane molecular formula is C2H6. So, the percentage of carbon in C2H6 will be equal to 24, 2 carbons are there, divided by, we have 6 hydrogen atoms. So, molar mass is 30 times 100. So, this is 8 by 10. So, that is exactly 80%, and therefore, only in propene we have the same percentage of carbon as in what we have in ethylene. So, option A is the only correct answer. In case if you found that the percentage of determining the percentage of carbon is a lengthy process, what you can do is you can use the following trick. You can divide the molecular formula by a common factor. So, here the common factor is 2. So, if you divide by 2, what you will get is CH2. Now, you see whether you are, when you divide by a common factor, whether you are getting CH2 or not. So, in the case of propene, it is C3H6. So, common factor is 3. If you do that, you are getting CH2. In the case of ethyne, it is C2H2, common factor is 2, so you will get CH. In the case of benzene, C6H6, common factor is 6, there also you will get CH. In the case of ethane, C2H6, if we take the common factor as 2, then what you will get is CH3. Now you can see that only in propene you have the same common factor as in ethylene, and therefore that should be the correct answer. This is just a trick to use.